She's looking on and says, I am so proud of her. That's all right. The short note, little trot right there. Horses are smart. It knows that child's only 6 years old. Give her a hand. Here's son, here's mama. Doing the shoulder stand. What's this for you? Vertical. There you go. Picture perfect. Picture perfect. Here's Madison, I met her 2 years ago. I'm a big fan of Stroud Lane. You gotta be in good shape. Puts a lot of pressure on the horse for balance. Coming in that left-hand side. Horse compensates for the weight. She looks like a dove flying through the air. The Stroud Lane. Here's the name.